So you can see there's the pit, and here's the opening for the footer tile, and there's where we've trenched just a small section because it's really been flooding right here. We want to bring that water into the sump pit, and the sump pump will lift it out, and then we're going to drill right through that wall. Okay, so we're ready to plumb our sump pump down into the pit, and first we're just going to put it in to make the measurement of where things are sitting. So we'll set the pump down in the pit. Next, we're just going to stick a piece of pipe on here on the check valve, which I'm going to have to cut to length. But basically, what we want to do is we want to come up from the sump pump through the check valve, and we're going to put a 90 on it right here. We're going to put a 90 right here, and then we're just going to go right through that wall to the outside. We've installed the check valve onto the sump pump, tightened up the no-hubs here with these clamps. This is the riser. As it comes up from the pump, it's going to lift it up, and then we're going to turn. We're going to go right through that wall. Okay, here we are on the outside of the crawl space wall, and the way that we find the spot to drill through, because we want to drill through this face brick first, we want to go this direction because it makes a very clean hole. It usually doesn't shatter too much. But if you remember, there was a vent downstairs and in the crawl space, and we counted over 1, 2, 3 bricks, and we want to go right through at the end of this brick at this level, and hopefully we are right on the target. Okay, we're ready to use our hammer drill with a 2-inch core bit to try to get through this brick. And that's pretty quick work of that brick. You can see we've got a nice clean hole, if you can see through there, and it should line right up with our discharge from the sump pump. Okay, so here we are down in the crawl space, and you can see again how I made that measurement. If you count over 3 bricks from the bottom of that vent and drill directly underneath of that, that lined up exactly with what we wanted to do. Now we're going to push this piece of 1.5 inches right through this hole. You can see it slides right through there, really nice. Now there's a bush on the outside, so that's as far as I can take it right now. So we're going to go ahead and cut it anywhere right in here, and then we're going to glue this 90 to this discharge, and then we'll go outside and finish the plumb. So basically we're just going to cut this pipe off. Clean off our burrs on the end of the pipe, and we're just about ready to glue this pipe together. So we'll get our glue out. People ask which one should you glue first. I like to work from the bottom up, so I'm going to glue this bottom of the 90 first. A lot of glue, you can see it kind of dripping out of there, that's fine. Stick it on there. Hold it down tight. Now we're ready to make this connection, and this pipe will come to us. All we got to do is put it together. So let's go ahead and glue this up. I'm going to go around that outside of this pipe. Good amount of glue. Wiggle it, whatever you got to do, put it together, and push it tight. You can see the glue dripping out of it. That's quite good. Straighten it up a little bit. Now we're going to go outside and cut it right at the flush to the wall, put another 90 on it, and come down, and we'll pipe it right out so that it drains away.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.